Mark this off now. You know that's not what he stole.
Empty Who in the family room.
Oh man, I didn't even need that.
No. Never can it be. I've been Grinched.
Oh, you've been Grinched.
It was Cousin who called the Grinch, stealing the Christmas tree in the banquet hall.
The Grinch stole Christmas. We lost. The Grinch won. It is now 3:15 on Saturday afternoon, y'all. It's been a slow first part of this Saturday around here. Some of the kids stayed in their pajamas. They've been watching Christmas movies and playing games. Yeah, it's just been one of those relaxing Saturday mornings around here. I did need to be doing some cleaning, but we'll get to that later. First, I'm gonna get the chili started. That way it can be over here simmering and ready for supper in just a little bit. It's a winter salsa chili. So what we're gonna do first, I've already got the ground beef started over here, but we're gonna make up some salsa and put that in the chili. I'm looking for my canned tomatoes. That's not them. Oh, there they are. Since I'm gonna make a salsa to put in here, I'm not gonna cook any onions with the ground beef because I'm gonna make them in with the salsa, and they're gonna be cooking in a pot on the stovetop with the, you know, chili, so they'll still cook down. While I'm thinking about it, these Hatch chili tortilla chips, it's the Better Goods brand. I already cut off the top and resealed it, but anyway, they are great, really good. We haven't tried the salsa yet. I just had an idea, a wonderful idea. The mom got a brilliant, wonderful idea. I've been watching too much of The Grinch, but we're gonna use this campfire roasted salsa in our winter salsa chili. I'm just kind of making this up anyway. I mean, there might be a recipe called winter salsa chili. If there is, I don't know. I'm just making this one up. Oh yeah, that smells good. Oh my goodness, that smells good. It smells smoky. Oh, it says with chunky tomatoes, chipotle peppers, and smoky mesquite flavor. Made in Texas, right there. Yeah, we're gonna add this in instead of making up our own salsa. That'll be a little faster. I forgot I had this brand new jar in there. So that's what we'll do. Make it a little bit easier. I gotta wrap up the rest of this ground beef and put up because this is what we're using to make our sliders for tomorrow. Tomorrow is when we're gonna be decorating our Christmas ornaments. We saved the bottom of the Christmas trees. I can't remember if we did it with our very first real Christmas tree. I think the first bottom of the tree that we kept was from 2020. We kept the bottom of that tree and made ornaments with it the next year. I already know what I'm painting.
What I was asking earlier, did you have paint? I was gonna really go into paint.
Yeah, you were gonna be like Bob Ross over there.
Well, I'm gonna have to think like Bob Ross right now. I'm gonna mix all these colors and get a different color
Yeah,
if I
just
need.
do it happy.
Oh,
that's gonna be good.
Man, thank you, baby. I'm beating the devil out of my brush here. Can you see that little tree?
I see that tree. I see it.
Right there's what I came up with. It's a little Christmas tree on a little hillside with a little bit of snow on it.
Are you ready to see mine?
Yeah.
Before you see it, here's what I call it, okay?
Oh, you named it?
Red barn at a Christmas tree farm.
Oh my goodness. That's bad to the bone.
Nice. Very nice. Oh, he's doing a side smile. I like that. I thought I knew what Jake was doing, but now I'm not sure. I guess we'll put Manly's over it. Oh, Manny, you added some white. Ooh.
It's nice.
Yeah, it is nice. Are you ready for a bath?
No white bass.
No.
The eyeball.
Oh, it's an eyeball? But anyway, we saved the bottom of the tree and we usually keep it in the garage all year long to let it dry out. And then Titus or one of the boys will slice it into little pieces for us and we make ornaments out of it. So on that tree over there, All of our other Christmas trees, besides, like I said, I can't remember if we did it with the first one, but all of our other real Christmas trees are hanging on there. That's great. This will be Manly's first year. I think that he'll actually paint something on the ornament instead of just, you know, doing random things. So we're gonna have sliders tomorrow, and some of the Christmas candies that we made, we have extra. So we'll have some of the Christmas candies to have too. We might pull out one of the pies from the freezer. It'll be like a little Christmas ornament decorating party. And I hope it gets bigger every year. Like when the kids start getting older and married and having their own kids, everybody will come over and we'll make ornaments from the tree. We're gonna have to get bigger trees, taller, so that we have enough room. Since I'm gonna use this jarred salsa, I am gonna chop up an onion real quick and put it in here with the ground beef now. Just a little one, and I need to grab my apron. I need to go to Walmart here in just a little bit because one gift I've been looking for, our Walmart didn't have it in stock and it was not available for shipping. But a few Walmarts around here had it, and so I was gonna try to go to one of those today, but I checked again this morning and it says that our Walmart has them in stock now. Only 6 of them. So I need to go and get one of those before they are out of stock again, because the other Walmarts only had like 2 or 3. This must be something a lot of people are wanting this year, because they're not available anywhere online to ship to you. You have to go pick it up at wherever, you know, whatever store has it. I can't say what it is because the kids watch the videos and they'll know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I want to try to run up there and get one while our Walmart has it, so we don't have to drive too far to go and find one and then get there and like somebody bought them right before we got there or something, you know. It's a good day for chili. All right, now we'll finish cooking this ground beef with our onion, and then we'll drain it and start mixing up this chili. We're gonna put in the campfire roasted salsa, this 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and then we've got white chili beans and just regular chili beans. This ground beef is just about done. Okay, now let's get our big pot over here. We'll start putting everything in. Oh, we played the Grinch clue game. It's really fun. The Grinch stole Christmas though. We all lost. So you're trying to figure out who caught the Grinch stealing what item of Christmas in what room or place. We lost. We'll beat him next time though. Put the ground beef and onions in first. Could have just cooked that in this pot, but that's okay.
So this is called a winter salsa chili?
Yeah, winter salsa chili. Here are the white chili beans and the regular chili beans. Now the salsa. We're gonna have to put a little bit of water in here, just about a little less than half a jar. Yeah, it has a smoky taste. You taste the smoky?
Yeah, it's got a little bit of a smoky.
A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper.
Really good.
About it?
Perfect.
Alright, we just let it simmer.
Which one of these are the peanut butter ones?
These are the Martha Washington. They're like coconut with pecans and stuff. These are candy cane puffs. It's like a shortbread cookie kind of. The peanut butter ones are over there with those sprinkles. Okay. We still have a little bit of a candy mess over here. Cece's been packaging some up this morning. You didn't try a Martha Washington one? Why is everybody afraid of the Martha Washingtons? It's the coconut, isn't it? No, they're good, aren't they? It's Hatch chili tortilla chips.
They were delicious. Boy, y'all get y'all some of that. Taste them, that chips right there. Them things are really good. That is really good.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria.
folks will feel like Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus in here right now. They're doing Christmas shopping.
We didn't find the thing that we
But we
came in
found
here
some
for.
stuff.
He found some things. Yeah.
Look at
I brought
this.
Santa with me to
Can I give him a
Walmart.
sneak peek, or we're
I
joining
think
them?
they'll watch.
They'll
Daddy.
watch
We
y'all. I'm
can't.
sorry. We're going to show y'all later.
Yes, we can't do the sneak peek.
But it's not extreme, but it's fun. I'm not ruling out doing some of this myself.
Y'all remember the duck hunt game when we were kids?
This is
Remember?
the next level.
Yeah. You see tape? They have Grinch and Charlie Brown bags, and those are adorable. Oh, here was tape. Here was tape.
There's 3 roll here, a 3-pack.
Oh, what about this? Is this a 3-pack? 3 for $3.22. That's what we're talking about, the purple one.
Easy to cut, too. We got easy to cut on this thing.
Yeah.
We got
Because
2.
sometimes that tape, you know what I'm talking about?
If it came to it, we'd have to glue ours.
It's a reindeer neck massager. Hey, here's Squatch Christmas.
Yeah?
Stocking stuffers. Don't look, I'm gonna get something for your stocking.
You are.
A Nerf bubble blaster for the bathtub. Alright, y'all. It is many hours later. I got a few things to wrap. I can't show what I'm wrapping because the kids will be sneaky and watch to see what I'm wrapping. Walmart didn't have the brown paper that I got last year. They did have this kind. It's brown with just red and green stripes. So I got 2 of these. And I got some red with candy canes. Got some Charlie Brown. And then I got this double pack of just red and white stripes and snowmen. First of all, does this come with batteries or does it need batteries? The past few years, Tyler's been my wrapping buddy, but he already fell asleep this time. This looks like the snowman from the Campbell's soup commercials. Y'all remember those? That's what this snowman looks like. I think that was Campbell's. He'd be a mean Tiny Tim.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.